Okay, hopefully you added the third part. So let's take a look at the coding. And the third part would be set pin 7 to low, set pin 6 to low, and then set pin to high. And now, when it loops this, you're going to get, I'll start the simulation, 2 seconds where 7 is on, and then 7 is turned off, and 2 seconds where 6 is on, and then 2 seconds where just 5 is on. And you can see over here by the lighting, we're getting that. Okay, excellent job if you got there. Okay, now I want to teach about another light that we can use, and this light is a RGB. RGBs, let's get the blocks out the way here, get the codes out the way. See, RGBs, they're beautiful because they can become any color, and that's what all our televisions and monitors use. They use RGBs. Let's pull an RGB over and put it right here next to everybody. So we got to get this RGB to turn on, and of course we need a resistor to kind of keep it from blowing up. And a RGB can be any color as opposed to these can only be one color. So there's the cathode right there. So that's where the negative power goes. So we're going to give this guy negative power with a resistor. So let's grab a resistor. We'll put it right under here. Okay. And so now he'll have negative power right here. Now, when we added the light, let's take a look at the coding. We'll need to control it because it, instead of having one control, like the anode only has one positive, it has three positives. A positive for the red, a positive for the blue, and a positive for the green. So this guy needs three. Not only does he need three positives, all the positives for RGB have to be analog. I'll explain what analog is, but I'll show you where the analogs are. See these little guys with the tildes, tilde 11, tilde 10, tilde 9. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. And you got tilde 6, tilde 5, and 10, tilde 3. All of those are analog. And that's just what the RGB wants. It wants analog positive power. So let's give him analog positive power from 11. Let's go up here. Now, normally, we make positive power a red, but I'm going to make the wire red simply because it goes to the red part of the RGB. And the next one will give him positive power from 10, because 10 has a tilde. So let's move a wire from here and then go to, yeah, I don't like that spot. Let's move it here and then go up and give him positive power to his blue. But I want to make the wire blue. Just remember that we're giving positive power to the blue. Okay. And we need to give positive tilde power to the green right here. So 9 is positive tilde power. So we'll go up here, and we'll stop here, and then we'll go up here. And the wire gives him green positive power, and we'll make sure the wire is green. So we know that he's getting all of his positive power. Okay. Now, let's get the coding for this guy. The coding for the lights is the set pins, but the RGB is right here. So I'm going to put him right up top. And again, the RGB takes three positives. So this is here. So he used tilde 11. So let's turn on tilde 11. He also used tilde 10. So let's get tilde 10. And then he used tilde 9. So let's make this tilde 9. He used all three of these. And we'll have the color to be red, and this will stay on in a loop. Let's start simulation. And the light comes on as red, and it stays red, and the others are being looped around here. Okay, let's change the color. Let's stop simulation and change the color here to a yellow and start simulation. And that's a bad looking yellow. Okay, we tried yellow, and it doesn't really look yellow. Let's try another color. Let's try the green. Let's see, here's green. And let's start simulation. And that does not look green. Okay, so I don't know if we're having screen problems or what, but we did get the red. We did get the red. Let's go back to the red here and start simulation. Okay, so we are getting red or RGB. Okay, we'll have to we'll do some manipulations here. So let's change the RGB right here after 2 seconds. So let's put another RGB here, and we'll have to set it to 11, 10, and 9 for the pins because those are all, again, analog, and this guy wants analog. Okay, and I really want it to be the next color yellow, but it doesn't. Yellow doesn't seem to be working. Let me put a little light yellow and start simulation. See if we can get light yellow. Okay, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Okay. Let's put a third one here and see if we can try to get green. Let's see another RGB here, and that needs to be 11, 10, and 9. And we want the color here to match the green. So let's try, there's green, I'll make it really light green. See what happens. All right, start simulation. That looks red. Yeah, looks red. Not quite yellow, but that's kind of bluish. Okay, so I want you guys to experiment with this little palette to see if you can get the desired colors out of this. You have to play around with the palette. Red we got easily. It's the other colors, the yellow and the green, that's a little hard to get. So I want you guys to work on this and with your RGB and see if you can get it to work.